Get ready guys, cause today I'm back with another Indian traditional food recipe. We call it Rasmalai. It's gonna very interesting for them who like to eat sweets. So this is actually much simpler than you probably imagine. Okay, let's get started for the video. Before start the video, I have a request. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, cause we always try to explain about recipes easily. All the things we're gonna need to make this: 1 egg, blend it properly, now 1 cup powder milk, half teaspoon baking powder, mix this well, one tablespoon ghee, mix this well, now blended egg, add it gradually. Again mix this well. Now make the Rasmalai shapes. It should be perfect like this. Now we need 1 liter liquid milk, cooking temperature should be high. When the milk will start to boil, put 3 or 4 cardamom, 3 by 4 cup sugar, mix this well. Now put the Rasmalai shapes and cook it for 8 minutes in high temperature. Now and then put out the lid. Now add 1 cup boiled water and again cook it for 8 minutes in high temperature. Now put out the Rasmalai shapes and cook the liquid for 5 minutes. When the liquid becomes thicker, put it on the shapes, but it should be taken cold. Okay, Rasmalai is ready. You can take it in normal refrigerator for 1 hour before serving. It will make it more delicious. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.